Ginger, the knobby, aromatic rhizome of the Zanjibar officinale plant, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for over 5,000 years. From ancient Ayurveda to traditional Chinese medicine, it has been revered as a warming, healing spice. Modern science has now validated many of these ancient claims, revealing a wealth of bioactive compounds, primarily gingerols and shogols, which are responsible for its potent medicinal properties. Here are the key health benefits of ginger. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous diseases like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Ginger is rich in gingerols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Furthermore, ginger is a strong antioxidant, meaning it helps combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which damages cells and accelerates aging. This 1-2 punch of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity is the foundation for many of ginger's other benefits. 2. Highly effective for nausea and digestive upset. This is perhaps ginger's most famous and well-researched benefit. Morning sickness. Multiple studies have shown ginger to be remarkably effective and safe for reducing nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, though it's always best to consult a doctor first. Motion sickness. For those prone to seasickness or car sickness, ginger can help alleviate symptoms without the drowsiness associated with some medications. Post-surgery and chemotherapy-induced nausea. Ginger is often used as a complementary therapy to reduce nausea following surgical procedures and chemotherapy treatments. Digestion. Ginger stimulates saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, aiding the digestion process and helping to relieve indigestion, bloating, and cramping. 3. Pain relief, particularly for muscle soreness and osteoarthritis. Due to its anti-inflammatory gingerols, ginger can act as a natural pain reliever. Muscle soreness. Consuming ginger regularly has been shown to reduce exercise-induced muscle soreness. The pain reduction is not immediate but can be significant over time. Osteoarthritis, OA. Several studies have found ginger extract to be effective in reducing pain and stiffness in individuals with OA of the knee, often with a similar efficacy to common anti-inflammatory medications but with fewer side effects. 4. Supports cardiovascular health. Ginger benefits the heart and circulatory system in several ways. Lowers blood pressure. It can act as a natural vasodilator, helping to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which may lead to lower blood pressure. Lowers cholesterol. Studies suggest ginger can significantly reduce LDL, bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Anti-clotting properties. Ginger has a mild blood thinning effect, which can help prevent the formation of blood clots, reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. 5. May lower blood sugar and improve heart disease risk factors. Emerging research indicates that ginger can have powerful anti-diabetic properties. Improves insulin sensitivity. Ginger has been shown to significantly lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve long-term blood sugar control, HbA1c, in people with type 2 diabetes. Reduces ApoB, ApoA1 ratio. This ratio is a strong marker for heart disease risk, and ginger has been shown to improve it, offering a dual benefit for those with diabetes who are at higher risk for cardiovascular complications. 6. Potent antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties. Ginger has natural antimicrobial properties that can help fight off pathogens. Fights infections. Its compounds can inhibit the growth of various types of bacteria, like those linked to gum disease and respiratory infections, and viruses. Sore throat and congestion. A warm cup of ginger tea is a time-honored remedy for colds and flu. Its warming effect helps break down mucus and soothe a sore, inflamed throat. 7. Potential protective effects against neurodegenerative diseases. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are key drivers in age-related cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. The bioactive compounds in ginger are believed to inhibit inflammatory responses in the brain. Some studies suggest that ginger can help enhance brain function directly, potentially improving reaction time and working memory. 8. May aid in weight management. While not a magic bullet, ginger can support weight loss efforts. It appears to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Its ability to promote feelings of fullness can also help reduce overall calorie intake. 9. Supports a healthy gut microbiome. Ginger acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial not just for digestion but also for immune function, mental health, and more. How to incorporate ginger into your diet? Fresh ginger. Grate it into stir-fries, soups, and curries. Steep slices in hot water for tea. Ground ginger. Use it in baking, smoothies, and spice rubs. Pickled ginger. Often served with sushi, it's a great palate cleanser. Ginger supplements. Available in capsules or extracts for a concentrated dose. Important considerations and precautions. Moderation is key. High doses, over 4-5 grams per day, can cause heartburn, diarrhea, or mouth irritation. Blood thinners. Due to its mild anticoagulant effect, those on blood thinning medication like warfarin should consult a doctor before consuming large amounts. Gallstones. Ginger may increase bile production, so those with gallstones should use caution. Pregnancy. While generally considered safe, pregnant women should talk to their healthcare provider before using ginger supplements. In conclusion, ginger is far more than a culinary spice. It is a powerful medicinal root with a broad spectrum of proven health benefits, from soothing an upset stomach to protecting your heart and brain. Incorporating it into your daily routine is a simple, natural, and delicious way to boost your overall health.